Kyle's Red Shoes, written by Lexan Fletcher, illustrated by Petra, Fafina, Patrice. Kyle had many toys and lots of clothes. He liked them all, but he loved his red shoes best. He and his shoes went everywhere together. Kyle's red shoes made him jump high and run fast. Some nights he even fell asleep with them on. "Nothing will ever come between me and my shoes," he said. His red shoes made him feel special. One evening, Kyle heard his parents talking. A giant storm had hit another island. "Everyone lost their home. They lost everything," said his mom. "They will need food, water, clothing, even shoes," his dad said. "Not my red shoes," Kyle said. "Those are my special shoes." "You don't have to give your red shoes," his mom said. "Any shoes will do." Kyle found some old shoes at the back of his closet. He put them in a box. Then he added some other things. A pair of old pants, a too small shirt, some broken toys. "I don't need these things," he said. "Some other boy will be glad to have them." The next day, Kyle went to school with his box. On his way, he saw Mr. Jones. "Oh, it feels good to help," Mr. Jones told the driver. "When we had a hurricane here, we needed lots of water." "I'm helping too," Kyle said. At school, all the students had brought things to send to the other island. Kyle added his box to the pile. His teacher, Mrs. Charles, held up a stuffed bunny. "When I was a girl, I lost my teddy bear in a storm," she said. "My cousins sent me a new one. I still have it." "I sent some toys too," Kyle said. He tried not to think about how broken and ripped they were. As Kyle walked home, he passed two ladies talking. "I remember when we had a hurricane," said one. "All my things were ruined." "Mine too," said the other. "But my neighbor gave me a pretty dress. I loved that dress. It made me feel special." Kyle and his red shoes ran off to play. Everywhere they went, people packed donations. "It doesn't matter that I only gave old things," Kyle said to himself. "The people on the other island will still get everything they need." That night, a hurricane came. Winds blew, waves pounded, rain poured. Kyle's house washed away. So did all his clothes and toys, even his red shoes. He tried to swim after them, but a big wave took them away. "Come back, red shoes," he yelled. "Come back, red shoes!" Without his shoes, he did not feel special at all. Kyle woke up with a start. Oh, he was safe in bed. His red shoes were still there. "Mommy," he shouted, "I had a bad dream." "Your mum left to drop off a package at the port," his dad said. "Is something wrong?" "Oh, I must catch her," Kyle said. Quickly, Kyle put on his red shoes. He ran as fast as he could all the way to the port. His shoes gave him extra speed. Oh, there was his mum, handing her package to the man next to the boat. "Hello, Kyle," she said. "Look at all the donations ready to go." Beside her was a large box filled with shoes. Blue shoes, brown shoes, black and gray shoes, lots and lots of ordinary shoes. Kyle put his shoes at the top of the pile. "But why?" said his mom. "Those are your special shoes." "Now they will make another boy feel special," Kyle said. "And I will feel special knowing that I made someone else feel special."